In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X in 2023. What are the differences, which ones should you buy, and what is the best for you? Let's talk about it. So the first differences that you're going to find with the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X is that the Xbox Series S is limited to 60 frames per second, 1440p. Internal storage is 512 gigabytes. While the Xbox Series X offers 1 terabyte of storage, we've got 4K resolution, 120 frames per second, and also a disk drive. While the Xbox Series S is a digital-only console. Now, these do have pros and cons between the two. So with the Xbox Series S, I find that it's a really great console as an introduction to the new generation, and it's really accessible and really affordable. So that's why it is such a great option to get if you are thinking about getting an Xbox or something for the newest generation that is quite affordable. With the Xbox Series X, while it is very expensive, I find that just the sheer power of the machine, as soon as you upgrade from the Xbox One or just any game console from a previous generation, or even the Xbox Series S to the Xbox Series X, you're gonna notice such a difference between the graphics between the two different consoles. Like, I was playing Elden Ring on the Xbox Series S, and then when I switched to the X, I was just like, wow, the graphical difference that you're gonna get with the upgrade is just, it's undeniable how amazing it is. So the 4K resolution definitely comes into play with the upgrade. Like, it's definitely worth it in terms of just looking at a console in terms of its just gameplay performance in itself. It's definitely worth it. So the reasons why you would want to get the disc drive with the Xbox Series X is not only for just like physical editions of the games that you could resell just in case you're not playing them anymore, or just being able to get like discounts on physical games and stuff like that, but also for like backwards compatibility. So stuff like, you know, old Assassin's Creed games or like old Halo games that aren't actually on Game Pass, you can actually install them into the console, upgrade the system, and you'll be able to play those games. So that's a major benefit for actually having the disc drive, just in case you've got any like Xbox 360 games sort of laying around that you can't play anymore. Well, there you go. Now you can play it for the Xbox Series X. I definitely found that once I got the Xbox Series X, I wasn't going to go back to the Xbox Series S, and I realized how small the storage is with the 512 gigabytes. I was only able to fit like 10 games maximum on the console because I had the Microsoft Flight Simulator, which is 100 gigabytes already. So having 512 gigabytes for the Xbox Series S, I feel like isn't enough. So you will have to get external storage for your console if you are going to get the Xbox Series S. For the Xbox Series X, I found the 1 terabyte is quite a good amount for the console. If you do need the expansion, you can get plenty of different sort of disk drives, and you can also get the expansion card for the Xbox as well for it. But I was pretty happy with the purchase once I did get the Xbox Series X over the S. I found that, yeah, just the graphical difference was the major difference, and some of the major pros with the Xbox would be like the quick resume. That's like a massive game changer. It's super fast just to like switch between the two different games. Also, some of the accessories that I've been using every single day, like the Elite Series 2. So controllers like these, like the Elite Series 2, has been an honest game changer. Man, just upgrading to it has been so much fun, and creating different profiles and stuff, and just getting those back buttons in, being able to customize it how I like it. You know, it's been such a great upgrade to get, and I've had it for over a year now, and there's been no stick drift or anything like that. I've really enjoyed my time with the Xbox Elite Series 2, so it's definitely a must-have accessory. The other must-have accessory would definitely be the Xbox wireless headset. Definitely prefer over-the-wired headsets. Man, it's just so good, like how you can easily connect it. I like the system, how it has the two different rings on the sides. I definitely think they're must-have accessories. So, and I find that these colors, because they're black, they definitely suit the Xbox Series X more than the S. They're sort of intended for the Xbox Series X console. Not to say that you can't use it with the S, but the way it looks is it's black. But you can customize different controls and stuff. So we can get like different skins for the Xbox and stuff. and different skins for the Elite Series 2. There's also the Xbox Custom Labs that we can use as well. But yeah, some reasons why you would want to go with the Xbox Series S would be because it's the most affordable thing to this day with new generation hardware, gaming consoles, and being able to have so many games available to you. So basically, the Xbox Series S is under $500 and the console itself, and then you can get the Game Pass for like $1 for a couple of months, and you pretty much sorted for all your AAA games, Forza, Halo, Microsoft Flight Simulator, if anyone's still playing it. But yeah, you've got plenty of different games to play from. There's a lot of games coming out. Also, I find it's a really great console for also indie games as well. So there's so many games on, you know, the Game Pass. And there's also like brand new games that just come out on the Game Pass all the time. Like Atomic Heart was just on Game Pass as well, as it just was released. So it's such a great thing to get because it's one of the best gaming subscription services to this day. So that's why I think the Xbox Series S shines, is because, you know, it's quick, easy, affordable. You can just get straight into it and start playing as soon as possible today, basically, with the Xbox Series S. It's also pretty lightweight, and I really like it. I think it's a great console. There's also plenty to look forward to this year. We've got Starfield coming out. We've got new Fable coming out. Also, who knows when that's going to come out? Who knows when they're going to come out? But they will come out eventually. There's always going to be new games coming out on the Game Pass all the time. But yeah, as a casual gamer, if you were to look at this like objectively outside of it, from not having the experience of both, I find that the Xbox Series S is great for the casual gamer because it's a digital only console, nice and easy to get into, super affordable, has a Game Pass, really good. As like a proper gamer who's going to sit down and spend lots of times really analyzing the games and wants the best quality and having the disc drive, definitely the Xbox Series X. Super powerful machine, and man, runs so smooth, super quiet. I've had it for over a year, and you know, nothing's gone wrong with it. The only things that have happened is maybe a couple scratches at the back. It's just absolutely amazing how much this console is so powerful and can run like 4K, 120 FPS, and do all the new stuff with the Game Pass as well as the disc drive. It's really, really powerful, genuinely. But not every single gamer is gonna need the Xbox Series X. I feel like for a lot of casual people, the Xbox Series S is going to be absolutely fine for what you need. So yeah, those are my thoughts and feelings on the two different consoles. If you have any questions or if you want to know anything about having an Xbox, please feel free to ask, and have yourselves a nice day. See you guys next time.